Good morning. Today is April 5th in our devotional, and I hope you all are having a good morning so far. Today it says, I give up. Deuteronomy 31, verse 8. The Lord Himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. 1 Chronicles chapter 28, verse 20. Be strong and courageous, and do the work. Don't be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord God, my God, is with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. 2 Chronicles chapter 20, verse 17. Do not be afraid or discouraged. Go out against them tomorrow, for the Lord is with you. 1 Kings chapter 19, verse 4. He himself went a day's journey into the wilderness, and came and sat down under a broom tree. And he asked that he might die, saying, It is enough now, O Lord, take away my life, for I am no better than my fathers. Colossians chapter 3, verse 21. Fathers, do not aggravate your children, or they will become discouraged. Hebrews chapter 12, verse 3. For consider him who endure such hostility from sinners against himself, lest you become weary and discouraged in your souls. And at the bottom it says, do you feel discouraged, hopeless, and despondent today? You wonder which way to go and feel overwhelmed by life. Under the broom tree, Elijah also felt discouraged, tired, and burned out. He just wanted to die. When Elijah was at his lowest, God came to meet him where he was and provided him with exactly what he needed: water, food, rest, care, and another calling and purpose. The same God, through His Spirit, wants to provide for you and lift you out of despair. Don't give up. Never give up on God. Never give up. He's always with us. Even when we don't feel Him, just like Job. Even when we are discouraged and we are depressed about things, and we see things going on in this world. No, don't fear. Don't give up. Don't fear. It's all in God's plan. God has the perfect plan for you and for me. He's always there with us, always. We have nothing to fear. God will take care of us through all this garbage going on in this world. Stay focused on Him and never give up on Him. And I'm always around. You can always email me or join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description, and you can message me there if you ever need to talk. I'm always here to listen, okay? God is always there to listen. Go to Him first, okay? But I'll always be there for you all also, okay? I love you guys. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day, and stay focused on Him.